Good morning, Year 11s. If you've managed to complete most of the summer homework, you'll have moved on to databases. Now, I believe some of you are quite confused with what is needed or required. This is just an explanation of what a primary key is and what a foreign key is. Here is your first task. You are to download this file here and to save it into the orientation folder. This here is a data dictionary. You're expected to populate this by looking at the downloaded student and subjects data. So if we have a look, we have student ID, which consists of numbers. You have first name, last name, date of birth, the class, subject 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we move back and have a look here, we will go student ID. What data type would you use? The description is that it's a unique student ID. And then the field size or format. This is to say whether you want it as an integer, which is a whole number, or if you want it as string. If you want it as string, or here you would write text, and then you would write string here. Your next aspect is to create the new database. You're to call it student subjects, and making sure that it's saved into the orientation folder again. In Access, you would go to Create, Table Design, and you would enter the fields that you've populated in this section here. You'd set up the student ID as the primary key, and then once it's done, you will then import this data, which is a CSV file, meaning that it's just a text file. You'll browse to locate where you save the student data, and then you will append it, which means add it to the table that you've just created. The next video will go through how to do that.